Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a flight on Vueling Airlines. Weather plans have changed or life through a cowbell. I'd like you to know that this tutorial will walk you through how to cancel your booking on Vueling Airlines web app step by step. Now, before initiating the cancellation, it's crucial to know your fare type as Vueling's cancellation policies vary. For Fly Grande Bundle, that's Fly Grand Bundle, offers this particular plan offers free cancellation up to 48 hours before departure with a refund in the form of flight credits. For Flex Pack add-on, if you added this during booking, you can cancel up to 48 hours before departure and receive flight credits. For Basic, Optima, Family, or Time Flex fares, it is generally non-refundable unless cancelled within 2 hours of booking, and for justified reasons such as illness, pregnancy, death, or legal obligations. Now, these may allow cancellations via customer services. So once you have known this, the next thing to do is to navigate to vueling.com on your browser and ensure that you're on the official site to protect your personal information. So once you're currently in the website and you've signed in, go ahead and click on My Trip section, typically found at the top left corner of your screen. So once you go ahead and tap on the My Trips tab, it's definitely going to take you to the My Trips window or the My Trips section. So all you have to do right here, it says manage your booking. I currently do not have any booking, but you can, of course, enter your email address, the origin and destination, and enter your booking code. And that's it. So your booking code, the purchaser's email. And once you do that, just go ahead and click on go. And that's it. So once you do this, you're going to see your flight details. You're going to see your flight details. So just confirm that this is the booking you wish to cancel. Now, if your fare type allows cancellation, look for the cancel booking option right next to your booking. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm cancellation. If the option isn't available, it may be due to fare restrictions or time constraints. Cancellations affect all passengers in the booking. Individual cancellations aren't permitted. Now, after successful cancellation, you receive an email confirmation. The refund will be issued as flight credit valid for 18 months. To use it, go ahead and enter your email and cancel booking code during your next booking. If you're unable to cancel online or have special circumstances, reach out to the Vueling's customer service. They can assist with cancellations due to justified reasons or technical issues. And that's it. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.